So we're here outside the Leclerc building. It's a big supermarket here in France, and they had very poor mobile phone cellular coverage indoors, and they needed to improve this. Customers needed to be able to use their mobile phones both for being contactable in the store and also to look up the goods themselves on the shelves. They could scan the barcodes and get more information.
Leclerc shopping centre in Soustons is a large supermarket 135 metres long and 50 metres wide. The ceilings inside the premises are 8 metres high. The StellaDoradus iRepeater system was chosen for this installation. On top of the building, a Yagi antenna is installed, pointing towards the tower with all the mobile operators on it. The iRepeater is installed in the communications room upstairs in order to ensure excellent signal for the staff. Furthermore, 5 line amps are installed throughout the premises to cover the floor area. 12 Yagi antennas pointing left and right ensure strong mobile signal in the aisles. 7 omnidirectional ceiling mount antennas are installed every 20 meters along the cashier desks for excellent cellular coverage. The checkout area is 135 meters long. The equipment installed at Leclerc Shopping Centre is 1 external Yagi antenna on the roof, 1 IR6 repeater in the communications room upstairs, 5 line amps throughout the floor area, 12 internal Yagi antennas in the aisles, 7 omnidirectional antennas along the cashier's desks.
So we're upstairs in the comms room of the Leclerc building, and this is before we switch on the repeater. There's almost no signal coming in here. You might get 1 bar in sometimes on band 20, and that's it. Now we're going to plug in the repeater. Here's the signal coming up here. This is the signal improvement in this room. We've done speed tests. We're getting 60 megs downloads, maybe 10 megs uploads. So this is going to scale very well throughout the whole Leclerc store. So here's a speed test for SF4. This is with the repeater plugged in. And here's the uplink here.
We're at the cashier's desk, checking the quality of the signal. When the repeater is turned off, you can see the signal is very weak, almost no signal at all. It's impossible for customers to make a phone call or use mobile apps with this poor mobile signal. And here is the speed test with the repeater turned on. We are getting speeds of over 50 megabits per second. The StellaDoradus iRepeater system successfully amplified mobile signal for all operators with full coverage in all areas of the shopping centre. Management at Leclerc are delighted with the professional, speedy installation and the excellent signal results.